everybody, Jackie here with Brian Weber from Weber Automotive. How you doing today?
Doing good, how are you?
Doing well.
Great.
So today we're talking about the maintenance difference between an automatic and a manual vehicle.
Yeah, so the main difference between the two, some people know, some people may not, but a manual transmission vehicle is going to have 3 pedals in it. You're going to have a gas pedal, brake pedal, and a clutch pedal. That's how you can identify it the easiest right off the bat. The next thing would be the shifter. An automatic transmission has park, reverse, neutral, and drive, maybe low range. Manual will have reverse and then like an H or a gated type pattern like that one that goes left to right and forward and backwards.
Okay, so that's kind of the main difference. Now let's get into the differences in terms of maintaining the car and the maintenance needs that you would have on a car for a manual transmission versus an automatic. What kind of things are you looking at there?
So the main difference between a manual and an automatic transmission is going to be a fluid change. The automatic transmission has automatic transmission fluid, which currently, or the last several years, they call it its lifetime, which is true. It's the lifetime of the transmission. But if you want to extend the life of the transmission, do it at 60 to 70,000 miles. Manual transmissions also need a fluid exchange, and that should be done, depending on the manufacturer, approximately the same type of interval. A manual transmission will also, at some point, likely need a clutch, depending on how it's driven. And that will be considered maintenance. It's not generally repair because they're not intended to last forever. They will last a long time, but not forever.
And so do you have kind of a gauge on how long that they last, or does it really depend on how much the car is being driven, how hard it's being driven?
Exactly. Yeah. If you're really, really abusing it and driving it poorly, you could probably burn a clutch out in 5,000 miles, maybe even sooner.
Wow.
But it's not uncommon anymore for the better fuel-injected engines, better transmissions, better driving habits. You could go 100,000 miles plus on a clutch. Back in the old days, it wasn't uncommon to put a clutch into 30,000 miles.
Wow. So it can really vary depending on how you drive it. So get it maintenance, stay on top of it, and drive with grace.
That's it.
Yeah,
exactly.
and then it'll last you for a long time.
Absolutely.
But those are some definite key differences, so that if you do have a manual transmission in your vehicle, you have some different maintenance things to keep up with than if you were to have an automatic transmission.
Absolutely.
And so these are some key differences to know. But either way, Weber Automotive can service any type of vehicle, manual or automatic transmission, at their auto repair shop. And you guys can schedule your appointment or contact them for more information online at weberautomotive.com.
Thanks, Jackie.
Thank you so much.